Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'll show you how to install the smart email signature in Gmail, which I personally use for prospecting. First, download the .zip file you received by email. Inside, you'll find an HTML file. Unzip the folder, then open the file to preview your smart email signature. Let's select all. On Windows, press Ctrl+A. If you're using a Mac, press Command+A. After selecting, let's copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. If you're using a Mac, press Command+C. After copying, let's open Gmail settings. Scroll down to the signature section. Click on Create New. Give your signature a name, for example email signature, digital marketing. Then paste the copied signature. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. If you're using a Mac, press Command+V. That's it. Your smart email signature is now installed. Now let's activate it. In the For New Emails, Use section, select your new signature, then click Save Changes. From now on, every new email you compose will automatically include your smart email signature. You can create multiple different signatures to adapt your message to different prospects and contexts. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and I wish you lots of success in your professional journey. Thanks for watching.